Imagine having the power of a cutting-edge AI right on your personal computer. No cloud, no subscriptions, just pure local AI magic. Today I'm going to show you how to bring that vision to life with a completely free and open source setup. So, what will you need for this AI setup? First off, we have Ollama, a framework that brings large language models to your local machine. Next, we have Docker, which ensures everything runs smoothly across different systems. Then, there's Open WebUI, making interactions with your AI as easy as pie. And finally, we have Ngrok, to access your AI from anywhere. All these tools are free and open source. Let's kick things off with Ollama. Head to their website, hit that download button, and follow the simple installation steps. Once installed, look for the Llama icon in your menu bar. This little guy means you're all set. With Ollama, you can easily download various AI models, like Llama 3.1, which is the latest released model. Just run the command Ollama run Llama 3.1 in your terminal, and you're good to go. Need more guidance? Let me know in the comments, and I will create a detailed video about it. Next up, Docker. Visit the Docker website, download the app for your OS, and follow the setup wizard. Accept the user agreement, use the recommended settings, and voila. You'll see the Docker icon pop up in your menu bar. That means Docker is ready to help us containerize our AI environment, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Time to make our AI user-friendly with Open WebUI. This amazing tool lets you interact with your AI models through a web interface, no command line needed. Head over to the Open WebUI GitHub page, copy the installation command, and paste it into your terminal. Once it's set up, navigate to localhost 3000 in your browser. You'll need to create an account, but rest assured, your credentials stay local. If you need a detailed setup guide, let me know in the comments and I will prepare it. Finally, let's make our AI accessible from anywhere using Ngrok. Sign up for a free account on ngrok.com, follow the installation instructions for your OS, and authenticate your machine with the provided code. With Ngrok running, you can forward your local Open WebUI to a public URL, making it accessible from any device. Simply run the command ngrok http 3000 in your terminal and copy the forwarding URL. Now for the magic moment. Accessing our AI from a phone. Open the forwarding URL on your mobile browser, log in, and you're ready to roll. Let's test it out by asking to give me an idea about using AI for daily life. And here we go, few examples of AI use cases. Isn't that cool? All this, running on my local machine, accessible from anywhere. That's it, folks. You've just set up a powerful AI, running locally and accessible from anywhere, all for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Stay tuned for my next videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.